Chapter 3 Hospitals and Surgery. Today, some people go to hospital to get well when they are ill. In the past, some hospitals were so bad that they made ill people worse. Hospitals in the past. From about 1,000 years ago in Europe, monks and nuns cared for patients in hospitals. They weren't doctors or nurses, and they didn't cure the patients. They gave patients food and a bed, and they said prayers with them. The worst disease at this time was the plague. Monks and nuns cared for many patients who had the plague because the patients had to stay in hospital until they died. The plague killed millions of people in Europe and in Asia. From about 1,000 years ago in the Middle East, there were many hospitals. There were lots of doctors and nurses to care for the patients, and they made medicines for the patients too. Doctors treated everyone who came there, and they taught new doctors and nurses about diseases. These hospitals had different wards for different diseases. There were also pools and fountains because doctors believed that the sound of moving water helped patients to rest.
Discover!
Some hospitals in the Middle East had musicians and singers. They tried to make patients happy. Early surgery. Surgery is when doctors called surgeons cut open a person's body to take out, repair, or replace parts. From about 1,000 years ago, barbers started to do surgery. People could go to barber shops where the barbers cut hair. The barbers also pulled out sore teeth, treated wounds from fights, and cut off arms or legs that were badly wounded.
Discover!
In the past, barber shops had a red and white pole outside. The red and white stripes were a symbol for blood and bandages. Anesthetics. From about 1,000 years ago, doctors in the Middle East started to make anesthetics. Anesthetics are drugs that stop a person feeling pain. Before anesthetics, people felt a lot of pain when they had surgery. Doctors made early anesthetics from plants. They made some plants into medicines for patients to put into their mouth. This stopped the pain when a barber pulled a tooth out. Later, new anesthetics made patients go to sleep before surgery. When they woke up, the surgery was done.